you're roasting some chilies.
Yes, shock it. The first sauce I'm gonna make is like a red chili sauce. So I'm toasting guajillo chilies, pasilla chilies, and some chipotle chilies. So the chilies, chop them up, and then fold them into the polenta. Give them a little bit of that green chili heat.
What's the glaze?
I got inspired by the ancho chilies in the first round. So I'm gonna put some ancho chilies in my chocolate ganache.
You're making an eclair with pistachios and you're putting ancho chilies in it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Bye.
I'm just leaving.
You're gonna love it.
What do we have happening here?
We have a chocolate, cherry, and ancho chili ganache.
Do you think it's too much?
Probably. I'm totally excited to cook this dish. There's a southern peanut and chicken soup that's kind of spicy that I really love. So I think that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use poblano chilies, so it's sort of the Southwest by South. So the first thing I'm gonna do is roast some green chilies, and then I'm gonna cook long grain rice with chicken stock and cardamom seeds, peanut, cardamom, and green chili. To me, it goes really well together.
He knows how to make sort of a socarat, which is that crispy rice.
Okay.
So I would be betting that he goes in that direction.
It's gonna be lime, cilantro, and cardamom rice. And I'm gonna make like a crusty rice, so we have that contrast.
What? He's making a crusty rice, just as you suspected. You were the Angela Lansbury of Beat Bobby Flay.
Oh, chicken skin. You put that on everything, so that's not surprising.
45 minutes, it's hard to cook a roast chicken, whether it's a half chicken or a whole chicken. I'm gonna keep it simple, but I'm just gonna put a few Italian flavors on it. So I'm making roasted chicken with porcini and Parmesan crust and pancetta bread salad with pickled shallots. I'm cutting the backbone out and splitting them in half. I wanna ensure a good crust on it because that's really important. I'm gonna let them finish cooking just with some rosemary and some olive oil. So then I'm making a crust to go on top of the chicken. It's ground porcini powder and some Parmigiano Reggiano. It's gonna make the chicken a little crustier, and also it's gonna give flavor. So I score the hot dogs down the middle. They stay together, but they open up almost like butterflying them.
Hey, Bobby, what are you doing?
You know what I'm doing? I'm splitting them so I can get them a little crusty on the inside.
He's gonna crisp it up.
The sauce is really simple. I'm gonna brown some butter. Easiest sauce in the world. I start the plate. 3 mezzalunas, some of the brown butter sauce with the sage and the mushrooms on top. The pie's in the oven. I'm just hoping that they get baked. I really have nothing to do except wait and worry. So then I'm making a brown butter with sage and a little maple syrup. I think sage and turkey go really nicely together.
Bobby has made a brown butter sage maple syrup sauce.
Oh, really? It has to be crispy enough to take on that oil.
Exactly.
So he's confident about how crispy his crust is.
That is upsetting to me.
Yes.
So, Bobby, what are you making?
I'm making a vegan smokehouse burger.
Like mushrooms and cheddar?
Yep, fake cheddar, some onion rings.
Oh, you're gonna put the onion rings on the burger? On the burger or on the side of the burger?
On it.
You see, Bobby's got this thing called Crunchified. Crunchifying is he puts chips on top. Have you heard of this?
Yes.
So he owns the word Crunchify.
He owns the word?
He owns the word.
You can't own a word like that.
I trademarked it.
I've been crunchifying since I was 12. I'm calling my lawyer right now. I'm prior art. You're done.